Got some garage work to do today. You know Nicky. I have some hot water with Dawn dish detergent in there in order to clean up my air cleaner. Gonna give that a once over and then clean inside the air cleaner box. I use Bel-Ray, and that is some real sticky stuff, so gloves are needed. I like the OEM filter. I'm just sticking with OEM in the first place. So in the bottle here we got some simple green. Neither of them is totally cutting the grease. But let's see how this does. It's hot water. This air cleaner wasn't really very dirty. Probably had, well, it had 5-6 rides on it, easy. But as far as miles go, it was probably only 300 miles or so. But it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to take this in to the house where I've got hot water to rinse all this soap out of here. Let's clean out this air cleaner box. This Bel-Ray is hard to cut down. That ain't really cutting it. I think I'm gonna need something more like carburetor cleaner. Here's some foam filter cleaner. Yeah, that's cutting it. I should use that on the air cleaner. Alright, well I'm going to try this foam filter cleaner on the foam filter, and I'll be back. Okay, that worked really well. Better than the Dawn dish soap. I've got this thing looking pretty clean. It still has a lot of Bel-Ray on it, but we've gotten rid of most of the dirt and it looks pretty clean. So I'm going to wring it out some more and let her dry. Okay, lucky you. You get to see me put oil on filter. Like I said earlier, I use Bel-Ray. That is sticky stuff. It's for all foam type filters. It's got superior particulate trapping, maximum airflow, increased power. You're gonna have all that. This has lasted me a long time too. Don't you just love the smell of Bel-Ray foam filter oil? Okay, that's looking pretty good. How do you like it? Okay, I took one glove off, so we've only got one glove available here. One hand. What's really important is making sure you have it seated in there properly. It doesn't do any good to even have a clean air filter if you've got a big gap. Letting dirt in. So let's take a final look in there. Could be better up top. Yeah, that did it. Oh yeah. That is seated. There was a gap up top for the major length of it. So it wasn't sitting on there good enough. Okay, all the things you sit and wonder about while you're riding are taken care of. Loose ends. Got the fresh oil change on there. Everything's looking good.